Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com. Now I've just popped open a bottle of 2020 Runner Bean wine. I don't know if James can actually get a view on that because it's a bit worn out. And it's not come out as I quite expected it to. It's a little bit sharp, it's a little bit too tart. So what do we do if we open a bottle of wine and we find it's a little bit too acidic or a little bit too sharp? Well, there's a couple of things we can do. If it's way too acidic and it really makes your whole face screw up, then you're going to need to use a little bit of this. This is precipitated chalk, and all this is going to, well, it's chalk, obviously, and this is going to react with some of the acids that are in the wine, and that's going to neutralize some of those acids and make it a lot more palatable. However, for a lot of the time, there is an even easier route to do, and that's this stuff. This is plain old supermarket sugar, and the easy way to rectify it is with one of these. This is a carafe, which I've had for absolutely years. If it's way too acidic and you're going to use precipitated chalk, then about half a teaspoon of that, and leave it for to mix up and to react. Give it a good 10 to 20 minutes. Have another taster and see if you need to add a little bit more. But if you add too much, you take all the acids away and it really becomes a tasteless, very boring wine. But for this one, all I'm going to do is pop it in my carafe. Oh, look at that. Come out beautifully clean. And then add a good heaped teaspoon of sugar. Now pretty much that's all you're going to need. A good heaped teaspoon of sugar, a really good swirling around to get it dissolved, and then it's going to be ready to drink. Simple as that. Two really easy ways of rectifying a wine that's come out and become a little bit too sharp to drink straight away. So either a little bit precipitated chalk if it's way too acidic for you to drink, or if it's just got that little bit of tartness that you want to take the edge off it, just some supermarket sugar. It's easy as that. Happy brewing.